Welcome back to another game devlog video. It's fantastic to have you here. My name is Bones and today I'm going to show you everything that I have done since the last video. Let's get started. If you wish to be part of the community, join my Discord server. Link is in the description. Finally, the intro cutscene is finished and greatly improved from the previous version, which had a lot of inconsistencies with the pixels per unit, making everything look out of place with everything else. This video took exponentially more to create because a lot of the progress was related to art, of which I learned so much during this period. I have also added 2D lights using Unity's Pipeline 2D renderer and also experimented with normal maps. At the end of the cutscene, the player will find themselves inside of the space station, which is a different scene. From there on, the game will start. I have also created multiple platforms in the scene, which the player can access through ladders, which I have programmed to set the player's gravity scale to 0 and to move them up and down depending on the player's input. The ladders also change the player's sorting layer, putting them behind the railguards of the platforms, and also activate barriers that will prevent the player from jumping off the platforms. When the player gets down off the ladder again, their sorting layer will be set back to normal and the barriers will be disabled. Now I have given the player an idle, walk and reverse walk animation. I have improved the main menu, and as you may have noticed, the game has been renamed to SUPERNOVA Space Marine. Besides this, all of the buttons have been improved with this new hand-drawn font, and I plan to do the same for all of the UI. Instead of putting the player straight into the game, the start button will now bring forth a new menu, which has two buttons, New Game and Continue. New Game will proceed with the intro cutscene, and then with the station scene, and Continue will proceed to put the player in a transition scene which has not yet been created, which will act as a buffer zone between the menu and the actual gameplay. This is all I have for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, drop a like and leave a comment. Helps me produce more content and most importantly shows me that this is a series you wish to see continue. Again, thank you for watching and goodbye.